My name is Taizya Kapula, and I designed the automatic gardening module. This is a device designed to help homeowners or home gardeners and other people interested in beautifying their environment or growing crops to do this automatically without the need of an external workforce. So it currently has 3 functions, which is soil moisture sensing, light sensing, and temperature sensing, and more will be developed over time. It is intended to help those who have such gardens to be able to manage them effectively while maintaining their work in other areas of life. So this is currently just a prototype of the device, and it hopes to be developed into a single chip in the coming years to come. So currently, I think one of the only functions that would be visible right now, right, would be the light sensing function, right? So when there is visible light, right, it would turn on a